The first principle that we are going to address is the one-to-one principle. This is when students give each individual item a name and count each object only once to find the answer. However, a common misconception is that students count the objects more than once. This means they will get a wrong answer. To overcome this, we can use a bag so students can clearly see the transfer of objects from being counted to not being counted. The next counting principle is the stable order principle. When a student first learns how to count, they must learn a collective of number names that normally starts with the number 1. The more they will practice, the better they will become. Try to offer the pupils the chance to count as many physical items as possible, as practice will always make perfect. The third principle we will be talking about is the cardinal principle. This is the idea that children need to understand that when counting a group, the last number they say is the total number of all the objects involved. The total sum is also known as its cardinality, and it answers the very important question, how many? The next principle we will discuss is the order irrelevance principle. The order irrelevance principle is the idea that it simply doesn't matter in which order the objects are counted, whether it be left to right or right to left. As the students become more experienced, they will realise as long as every object is counted once, they will still know the object's overall cardinality. The last principle we will address is the abstraction principle. Out of the 5 counting principles, the abstraction principle is different, as instead of learning how to count, we are learning what we can count. We can count things that are tangible, like pens, things we can touch, or we can count things which are intangible, like how many times this ball will bounce. In summary, all of these principles are imperative in students learning to count. We must use these in collaboration with fun and innovative opportunities to count to create a stronger foundation for children's mathematics. Thank you for listening.